And finally, today is our first climbing day. We've been in Lofoten for 4 days,
which I've shared in the first part of this video series.
It's a beautiful, almost Blåbær sky. And we decided to climb Gandalf, which is this wall here. It's an easy intro, it's a classic in Henningsvær, 3 pitch 5/8. Ruth is excited. Those guys are already on Gandalf. We decided to do Gollum, so that we're not on the same route. And there it goes. Ready? Let's go. Wow. Climbing again. Look at Ruth coming up on Gollum. Nice job, Ruth. What a day it is here. Nice job. This was an amazing climb. I was really impressed with the quality of this climb. Really impressive. Beautiful climbing, easy to protect. I came to Norway for the view, but now I'm really gonna enjoy the climbing. I was not expecting it to be this good. Highly recommend. It was just a bit short, but it was great for us just to start. I'm already excited for the next one. We had lunch and came to Djupfjord, which is this fjord, to climb Blåbær. But then we discovered it's actually right there. So it's an hour and a half of walking and it's already 3 p.m. So we decided to change plans and reroute to Pizzatyven. It means Pizzatyv. A Pizzatyven follows the crack in the middle of that wall. Ruth is on the second pitch, doing the nice flake. Look at the scenery if this is not amazing.
We are now facing the cracks of the route. It takes me quite a while to figure out how to go up.
Come on.
Now it's Ruth's turn to go up. After the last pillar, the way to the top gets flatter and easier.
Here's Ruth popping out in what is truly one of the most majestic places I've ever climbed. This reflection is like a postcard. Good morning to another day. It's Blåbær day, which is Dad's lap in the back right there. Very excited to climb again today. Spent some time yesterday at the Climbers Cafe to decide what to do, and we are ready. Look at Ruth. I got some extra weight here. We started at 10:45, it's 11:48. Took us an hour. The approach was not, let me get rid of this first. There you go. The approach was actually not that easy. A bit of route finding through boulder fields right there, and quite steep in the last part, but overall enjoyable. Hope the climb is the same.
Bear Blåbær, which means just blueberries, is a classic southern peach climb that follows a long slab.
And it's the first pitch. The route is quite crowded. Ruth is starting now, and the view is still amazing. It's a bit of a traffic jam here. I just gotta wait. Okay. There's Ruth coming up. What is that pitch? 4 or 5. We're close to the summit. The slow team let us pass, so everything is going nicely now. Welcome to the summit of Bear Blåbær.
How did you like it?
Honestly, not that much. What about you?
Honestly, not that much either compared to yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was
perfect.
Amazing climbing, and this was just like this kind of slabby thing with a few cracks. Honestly, this Bear Blåbær is a scam. Should not be in the top 50.
It's just because we've been spoiled yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday was amazing, today was good.
I agree.
The descent is actually quite nice. Very straight rappels, anchors with plenty of bolts, and go straight down. It's another day. We suddenly left Henningsvær this morning and came to Kalle. Today's another climbing day, and we're climbing Trollfestningen, the route called Colibrien. We had some downtime this morning at a cafe, and now we're energized to go. Some route finding challenges as always. We didn't cross a stream that we had to, and now we're back on track. We're on the approach pitch. We're on this lab up to there. Nice work from Ruth. Very confident, and we're up at the start of the route. And there we go. A beautiful first pitch awaits us. See us lingering there. This was stressful. This is the first protection I put from the ground. The only thing I put there was my fucking helmet that I stuck in between that crack. I had to be very creative this time, but now I got easier. It's actually not a hard pitch, but I hate like this kind of stuff where you're sneaking in. It would have not been probably a bad fall because it would have just stayed in the crack, but still mentally it was hard to cope with.
The route is made of 4 pitches that follow a system of cracks.
A very beautiful second pitch, a very nice flake. We all loved it. Nicely protected finally. And now we're going out this crack. Pitch 3 was definitely a fight. We have one last one here on this system of cracks to get to the top.
We are now facing the hardest pitch of the route.
Woohoo! I am off, belay! I don't know if I look sweated, but this was definitely a sweat. Coming up this, wow, this was beautiful, beautiful. Challenging for me, very challenging.
Wow, this is so nice. It's so nice.
We both arrived here out of breath.
And with bloody fingers.
This was really, really good. Highly recommended.
Highly recommend it.
Wow, it even made Ruth talk, so it tells you how good this was. Look how good this crack was. We are back on the trail to the drone. Time to go get some ramen. We're both thinking that this mushroom would work so well with the ramen, but it's just too risky. Like
We have 1 day left.
we don't know what it is. Fuck, I really want to eat that mushroom. Bro, finding Norway is always a challenge. Like, this is a path, apparently. Like, look around. Where the fuck is that? We've just like been trying every single descent. At least here they put like fucking cairns, but this is really alpine adventure. We're isolated. We didn't see anyone the whole day. Hard to find a route, hard to climb. No fixed gear in place apart from the rappel anchors. This is a true alpine adventure. It's our final day in Norway and we are left with our final climb, Forsida. We've done all the elevation gain. Now we just need to cut across. We're right underneath. Someone's climbing already. Beautiful view in Svolvaer. Is that a base? Let's go. Started raining. It's quite shit. We just started. fuck. It's raining quite heavily now. We are soaked. Look at Rook heroically coming up in the rain. I'm dripping from my helmet. Sad, but sometimes it happens. I think this is Lofoten's way of telling us you gotta come back. They make us leave something unfinished so that we need to come back. It actually stopped raining now, but we're so soaked that I think it makes sense to bail at this point. Let's put a sling around this shit. There you go, a worthy sacrifice of this yellow sling and this beaner that I had found on Cima Grande in the Dolomites.
Very sad.
We're soggy but happy. Hope you liked the video. Ruth is not talking even all the way to the end.
No. We're gonna have to do it.
And this is how our adventure ends.
We're soggy but grateful for what we got.
Norway was great. Consider subscribing and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.